What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. Today's video is kind of a interactive video with you guys, the subscribers, the viewers of the channel, and I want to know your opinion. 2 BMW Z3s, flood damaged, not currently running. Get them running and drive them 2,300 plus miles back to Vegas. That is right, guys. That is what I am considering. A subscriber sent these 2 cars into me. And I'll pin his comment should he comment in the comment section down below. These 2 Z3s are available fairly cheap. They're complete cars. They're selling them for parts. I've already been in contact with the person that's selling them. And I'm thinking about, they're flood damaged, right? So I'm thinking about going to get these cars, drain the oil in both of them, probably the trans fluid too. And fill them with trans fluid oil, new spark plugs, maybe new coil packs. I'm willing to bet they run. They're also manuals, so I'm not worried about starters because you could push start them if the starter was bad. What do you guys think about it? First, let's take a look at them and then you can make a better decision. So here they are, one in blue, one in yellow. The blue one looks to be in a little bit better condition than the yellow one. And I think I know why. The exhaust is hanging from this one, which means I'm sure there's some significant undercarriage damage. And yes, if you're seeing that Copart sticker on the window, yes, that's actually a thing. Maybe they bought this as a parts car for the blue one and then just didn't get to the project. But let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. If both could not be driven, what do you think about just trying to go get one running and drive it across the country? So there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do you think it would be worth, content-wise? I'm sure it would be exciting because I'm sure it would break at some point. But do you think it would be interesting to take one that is not running, or both, if I could get both running, and try to drive them from the East Coast to the West Coast? I think it would make for an interesting video. And I mean, I see videos like this all the time with like Vice Grip Garage. Will it make it home 200 miles, 300 miles? But has anybody ever tried to buy a flood damaged car, not running, and drive it all the way across the country? Let me know what you guys think in the comments, because depending on 2 things, if this video gets 1,000 likes, and if you guys just say do it in the comments enough, I think it's worth the risk to do it.